Today we are testing AutoCoder, which is the sponsor of this video. It's an AI coding platform or an AI app builder that can generate websites, apps, backend systems, databases, dashboards and role-based workflows from a single prompt. Useful for founders, agencies and whole product teams who need to turn a business idea into a realistic, multi-role product prototype fast. Let's go in. So first you go on AutoCoder.cc. Here with an overview about the tool. You can do things like create an education backend system with analytics. After signing up, you're ready to go. First we want to create a simple web page, a dog walking service called Path Walks. Users should see some packages we offer for our startup, like a single day walk, 3-day walk or full week walk, a contact formula. We can now further optimize the prompt by magic. Just click on it. Now he optimized the prompt exactly how he needs it. We just hit submit. Now we are in the agent of AutoCoder. On the right we have our prompt. We can see it takes up to 7 minutes now. He will do all automatically. We have to do nothing here. Just sit back and relax. AutoCoder is not just an AI website builder. It can generate complete multi-role business systems from one prompt, including frontend, backend, databases, role-based dashboards, workflow logic, source code export and deployment. So now we can see he generated a requirement list, a user flow. Because it's a very simple page, we have just a home page. We can now adjust things here just by prompting, but in this case it's fine. We just hit generate demo. He's now building the pages, or the single page in this case. We will skip this part and after only 5 minutes we are ready. On the left we have the web page, on the right we have an introduction for the web page, like we have a test access, Sarah Connor and a password. Let's look at the web page first. Nice design, exactly what we want. Path Walks. If we scroll down a bit, we see some highlights, experienced walkers, safety first, community focus, very nice. We have the packages we needed, the single day, 3-day, full week. If we scroll down further, we have our contact formula, exactly what we wanted. So let's try it, test, body. Our package, we want a single package on each Monday. We don't have notes, we just hit confirm booking and we have a success. The booking request has been sent. On the top we can switch to the backend. Here we can use the credentials. He did that automatically, and as we can see we have a full overview, a dashboard about our backend. We have a total bookings, pending review, reviewed, some test data he inserted. We can also see our test booking here, a single day. We can click details, the information we provided exactly the same. Very nice design, very nice structure. We can use this as mark as reviewed, automatically updating all things here, so it's working. Just crazy easy, comes along with our web page. On the site content we can see the different sections of the page. Like, let's click on this one. We can change the text of the website, we can include images, we can change images. So you have not only the web page, you have a full backend setup, which is working automatically. You have a full dashboard, overview about your site. AutoCoder is just amazing here. Here we have the example with the multi-role collaboration platform we want to generate. It should support 3 roles, the brand, the creator and the admin. The brand should be able to create campaign briefs, set budgets, review creator applications and approve collaborations. Creators can register and manage profiles, and admins can manage nearly all things. And here we have the user flow. It's a much more advanced one. As you can see, we have a landing page, a login page, a register page, brand dashboard, creator dashboard and so on. On the bottom we have the requirement for each page he just generated. Like for the login page we need a login form, account password authentication, or if we scroll down a bit, for the creator profile page we need a display name, bio, avatar URL, category, location and so on. This is already astonishing and just created from our prompt before. It's crazy how good AutoCoder does this. We can now change things here, like on login page the password needs to be 8 letters long. Hit enter. He's now adjusting the whole workflow depending on our prompt here. In our case he will only edit the login page flow. In our case he will only change the login page requirement. And let's have a look. And here we are 1 minute later on the login page requirement. We have the login form, account and password. and the password must be at least 8 characters long, exactly what we wanted. Hit generate demo. Again, we skip this part. And here is the finished web page. Creator sync. Let's look at it. Nice design, dark mode, fitting to our collaboration creator platform here. Nice structure. On the top right, we see we are creator now. We can hit logout, use the credentials here. Let's try as a brand. Hit initialize session. Authentication successful. We are here now as a brand. We can create new campaigns as we wanted. On the right you see we are also stepping into the user flow here. Let's see, test campaign, content creation, description, custom. We have so many things here. It's amazing. Nice structure, a budget location, all things working automatically, no errors. As far as I can see, it's crazy good. We can now save the draft or publish campaign. Let's try save draft. Draft saved successfully. Nice overview about our campaign here. On the top we have even more, like our ongoing collaborations. We have some test data here, like this one. Let's look at it. So we have a campaign about $3,500 with Tech Pro reviews. Crazy, we can filter things here. Let's try the backend now. He's now auto login with the credentials he provided. And as we can see, again, we have a full dashboard about our platform, specific for our use case. So we have total users 17. Because of the test data here inserted. We have 8 active campaigns from the different brands. They are registered here. We have also payments. We have a user management where we can see all registered users like creator, admin or brand. We can suspend them. We have a campaign management where we can see each campaign which is created on our platform. A payment management where we can see some payments has been completed, some failed, some processing, and one is pending. And a content management where you can edit things. AutoCoder organizes, creates, syncs, everything we need for a full multi-role website, frontend and backend with a nice overview about all details. It's just crazy good. If you liked AutoCoder, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.